The last coal truck disappeared when I was at the buffers near the little grotto.
Maybe those are the buffers that lead to the secret railway.
And the grotto is the Lost Engine's special platform. Percy, you protect those buffers from Diesel, and I'll find Mr. Conductor.
Me? Why me?
Annie, Clarabelle, there's Mr. Conductor. We found him.
No, I'm telling you,
Look,
it's
it's
this
over
way.
here.
I promise you, it's
Look,
this way.
just-
Come on.
Oh.
Come on.
Look, wait a minute. Junior, look.
It's Thomas. Thomas. Now, don't look so surprised. I know you haven't seen me since...
Hugh stuffed party poppers down my funnel.
Hey, we had a laugh.
You did.
You're talking to each other.
Ah, first prize. Lily, Thomas. Thomas, Lily. Now, where's my cousin?
Hi.
Hello, Lily.
Come on, Lily. I'm very at home on trains.
Annie, Clarabelle, I'll send Percy back to fetch you. We've heard that one before.
What's the matter?
Travel sickness.
What's that shining at the windmill?
Besto, Lily. I think it's my cousin. Hey, cuz, what's up? You enjoying the sun?
No, Junior, I am not. As a matter of fact, I just landed here after escaping a heavy metal monster. Junior, where have you been?
Is your sparkle back, Mr. Conductor?
No, Thomas, it isn't. But I do know the clue. Stoke up the magic in the mountain. Darn.
Hey, cuz, you're looking terrible. Why don't we get more gold dust? Because I used yours up. Then you can go back home and I can go to the beach.
Junior, I want you to listen to me, and I want you to listen to me very carefully. I'll get that.
I've got it. Hello? No, this is his cousin. Who's this? Oh, hello, Hattie. No. He's hanging around here somewhere.
Yes, Sir Topham Hatt, sir. No, he just wanted to be friendly. No, he's not a dog. Well, let's just say he's a puppy in need of a good trainer. No, nothing to worry about, sir. Goodbye, sir.
Oh, cuz, this is Lily. She's staying with her grumpy old Grandpa Stone.
Hello, Lily.
Hello.
Junior?
Whoa!
Junior? Junior, what are you doing up there? Come down! It's too windy!
This is just like the fun fair! Give us 2 seconds!
Well, 2 seconds is all it takes for you to land in trouble! Junior!
Aha! Twinkle Toes Jr.
Oh well. Yeehaw!
What's gonna happen to Junior now?
Well, my family is usually pretty good at getting themselves out of trouble. Eventually.
Oh, Mr. Conductor, you don't know Diesel like I do.